Is my laptop the latest thing? Oh no, it is, isn't it? Hold on a second, I think I have the latest stuff. No network connection, my ass. Okay. Okay. This definitely has the color picker in it. Mini bound. What's the mini bound for? What in the world? Oh, I'm horrified. Yo, I'm down for this. Okay. Alright, so I have something in here at least that I can send. So before I give this to my desktop, I just give it the entire color picker prefab. Does it have the draggable script? It does. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's open you up, but I need to get TeamViewer out. Whoops. Okay, show up, show up, show up, show up. Oy.
My heart beats.
Yeah. Can't exactly put on kill switch engage, I would. Okay, where is this located again? Where does this go? Resources, I guess? Really? It's on. I have to subdivide it later. I'll just put it here for now. Already finished? Seems like it's my internet alright. Alright. Let's see. Let's try to get something done tonight. First things first, we gotta test this. This is not my layout either. Much better. Okay. I actually like it like that. It's pretty nice. But that's not going to be viable. Which one was it? Negative 40 here? Yeah. Exactly what it is. Change this to orthogonal view so I can actually see what I'm doing. I should probably not fuck with this right now. We'll keep it straight. So what we'll do is I'll have it right next to the board. Give me the Y. X. Right there, that's perfect. Alright. So last time I did the hue, I haven't messed with the saturation and brightness, which is already overkill, considering what we wanted from this. I don't know why he has a minimum bound. He doesn't need that. Oh. No, he still doesn't need a minimum bounds. I don't think so. Oh, email. Hold on. Download these scripts. This is gonna take a while. Okay, they're using events. Actually, open that up again. There we go. Yeah, we're not messing with that. I gotta see what it does with the actual VR now. Is this the same exact script that they have here? Yes. Yes. Hmm. Huh. Need some music. I'm about to put on Trevor something. Why don't my brother try it? What about Bud Club? Alright. Just see what happens. As is. Taking a while. Oh, you don't need to start up Oculus. Okay. Bullshit. Or did it already start and I'm not seeing it. That's no problem. At night now. Okay, enable 2D debug there. Alright. Not being lazy right now, so I'm getting up to do this. Later on I will get lazy because I don't want to waste my time getting back up and down. First thing I want to try is see what happens if I hover over this. Where did it go? Interesting. Okay. So I need to change that later. Huh. Changing the XY, I gotta change that later. Good to know. Not being locked like it's supposed to. If I remember correctly, erasing now works as intended. Beautiful. Alright, so since the mission today is to get the color picker working, not to worry about the marker and eraser, since those are functioning for the most part, first thing I'm going to do is try to get this thumbs location to get proper, because this is not good enough. This is ridiculous. It's kind of working now, at least. Let's get it going.
Come on out there, where you are.
I'm sorry, lady. I need the house.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's put this here, let's put this here.
We sit
What?
in beds.
What?
We sleep. And we dream.
Why are you sending the points, though?
Each of us dies slowly. The prison of our mind.
You don't need to send
We
anything.
sit in the sun, in maze.
Just don't
We
position.
sleep and we dream. Each of us dying slowly. The prison.
Don't need to set back the old position.
Yeah.
Where's it getting sent back from? I have no idea what they were trying to do here, but it's retarded. No, it's not retarded, it's just... Oh god, is that what they wanted? No. So if fix x temp.x. Are they trying to set this to the hand?
Is it a new world, or will it consume us all?
That's why honestly, this is not even needing to occur here. It's just an extra step. I understand why, but it's like one line.
I demand to know what's going on in my house.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call this 10. That's the original position, so call it that. I'm guessing it's that or that. You don't want to change the Z ever.
World, or will it consume us all?
That's it. Don't change the Z. Let's try it. Okay. Time to be lazy.
We sit in the sun, in maze. We sleep and we dream.
Getting
Each
better.
of us dying slowly.
So wait, we better?
We sit.
It doesn't work yet, right? Oh, I can actually grab it, but it doesn't do anything.
And we dream. Each of us dying slowly. The prison.
Let's try to set the global position to be different. I think I know what to do. This needs to be converted to local. We'll see in a moment. Is this thing set to, I need to check. You have fixed Y? Yes, we do. Wait. Doesn't change. Exactly what we need. Okay. Time for me to finally learn how to use these transformations properly. They got after this. All right. What was the hand's position here? $88, $89. Sorry. Barely changes all the thumbs. Because I'm not in VR right now. Huh. And hand one right here with a 0.08. Okay. Is it already converting? Trying to make a trackable monster with trackable script, but I have no time for that. Oh. What? I don't see the error. Okay. There it is in semicolon. There. It's frozen. There you go. That frame drop. Really annoying. Okay, so same result as I expected because I didn't change anything except for removing the Boolean check, which I don't give a shit about right now. All gone. Let's see what this does. I'm really knocked out. I need to get a shot of coffee. Oh, whoa, okay. Seems like it needs to be amplified. It's getting close. Okay. Let me check the code we did before. There's a lot of shit happening over here. That shouldn't do it because I'm moving the hand, not the app. Let's see if I can get a proper perspective on this. God, it takes forever to load for some reason. Okay. Right there. So far away. Can we get a little bit closer? That's really annoying. Why does it constantly have this orange shit around it now? I gotta stop doing that, is it? Well, at least I can feel it when it comes in and out. The point is I know it's there, and if I move it this, fuck. If I move it, where is it? If I move it this is terrible. No, keep. Okay. And if I go to color picker's thumb, this is at negative 100. Me so much as clicking this. That's not it. 16. That's a negative 16 that is. I need to find out what its local position is compared to mine. So we'll make it do. I want a little local position transform. Unless Oh, this is it, and it has to be local space because of this thing. I'll put this after the application. Right there. Alright. So now I'm just going to touch it a few times and see my results. Wonderful. Let's see shit. Alright, so what's going on here? According to this thing, it's doing exactly. They were both at 13.1. But this wasn't 13.1 for the board, this was the 8. There's the problem. That wasn't 58. See what that says. Alright, original position is negative 100. But when I went to select it, the new position was 0.3. This is negative 100 to it. Meanwhile, for the hand, this means negative 1.1. So if I multiply it by 100, it makes sense. Hold on. Just definitely not good enough. What local space though? Okay, so it's saying to use like the bicycle. I don't think that would do it, but we'll try. Doesn't feel right, but I'll do it. I don't care. Unity's weird. Still waiting. There we go. Alright, let's see what this produces. It's even worse, it looks like. It doesn't even budge now. That's not what I want. Wait a moment. Oh my. Oh, I see what I was doing. Let's try. I don't think this will do anything. Whoa. Oh, come on. No, it's not even wiggling now. It was better before. So if I do transform, I could just add little fucking arrows. I'm about to do that. Inverse transform direction. It's gotta be this. Anything I can multiply the value and see what happens. I'm still trying to digest. It looks like it's too small. What if I multiply it by 10? No, don't attach to you. Fuck. What? But the I didn't even touch it yet. Okay, wait a moment. That was an interesting result. Okay. I like that. What's going on here? I'm gonna multiply the whole vector by 100. Alright, we done. No, because once it reaches the center, it doesn't do shit. It's only works on the. That's not gonna. I can multiply it by 10,000 and it won't do anything. I need to see what range that is. Somehow translate. What if I temporarily made not what it is. Oh, come on. Burn. All I really care about is the first bar, where it's 100. Original global, negative 1.6. Original position, negative 100. Global hand position, negative 1.6. Local position of hand, 1.2. Local position of thumb, 1.2. after the override, the local position was that. Alright. I'm down. Fuck local position. Oh fuck, it's no longer using. Oh, okay. I was over make. This is what happens when you work on the board too much and it fucks your hold on. God damn it, got stuck. I got really stuck. Oh, there we go. Why I got stuck on the bed. How far can this go? Yeah, I'll just make a little clip down here so that it can't go past this. And how to do this one, same thing. She blew my brains out. And this goes how much to 100? And delete all this debug lines. Alright, now that I know how this works, I'm gonna add this back. I'm really wondering why this didn't work in the first place. It's pretty much. That's weird. Don't need this. Or do I? I need original position in global terms. I don't understand why Dragon exists, to be honest, but okay.
We sit in
Done.
sun, in waves, we sleep, and we dream.
Alright, so now.
Each of us dying slowly, a prisoner, dying slowly, dying slowly, dying slowly.
That doesn't make sense. Hello. Not gonna work now? Also, there was a use to this. So without it, it clicks on the handheld output. What if I just do?
I roam the empty halls, listening to their whispering. I try to find someone.
But what if it's not down? What if you're not getting it down for us?
To warn them that back there in that small town on the coast,
Works just as intended. And it won't do anything without the click down anyway, so who cares? That's it. That's all that was needed. I want to make a fatter bounding box so that I can fudge it a little bit more, but otherwise, yeah, that's it. I don't think that affects the marker yet. Whoa, it did something to it. Oh, that's my fault. It's not outside enough. Yeah. I was experimenting. I pretty much got the XY wrapping towards through. I just haven't applied it yet. I want to test something here. Getting this to work. Oh, this got fucked again? I thought I fixed this. I'm gonna have to fix that later. I thought I fixed board creation. I'm not gonna see what they did. Alright, so that's done. Got that covered. I'm thinking about something right now. No, I need that to be in there. I don't want to do that. See if it works. As intended. Now we just gotta set the bounds. Easy. Fortunately, I gotta do that. So they were using a minimum bound and maximum bound to do this, I'm guessing, right? Oh, this is gonna need multiple bounds. Minimum bound won't work. Unless I add a collider. I can easily add colliders to this thing. Really weird colliders. Or I can just restrict its motion. Right now it's... This is the local position, right? So if I just say the local position can't exceed this value, then it won't apply. Simple. Because that value shouldn't change if I move this. And it's still 99 point. Yes, exactly. So make it 0. I want to be at the 0. Alright. So it's trying to make me set the minimum bound and maximum bound. Okay. I see what he's trying to do, and I can do it. Let me just Where's your minimum bound? Okay, perfect. I see what he did. All makes sense. What the fuck? There. Awesome. Okay, so now this thing has a minimum max bound. I just have to apply. This also has a minimum bound. Okay. Simple enough. There's no fixed X or Y on this. Okay. I'm hoping this works on the first try, but I doubt it. We'll see. Okay. Now, this is okay. Yeah, this is working phenomenally. All right. So, what's wrong with the other one? What did I do wrong? Max bound, min bound. Is it the Y's? It's probably the Y's. No. this work? This is working. Oh, this is just retarded. This doesn't give a fuck. Here's the shit down here, but once I go above, this thing goes on to infinity and beyond. I messed up somewhere on the checks. Oh yeah, it does not care there. And that does not move. Cares about this side. I messed up. Oh, I see what happened. Oh man, pain. What if I just... My brain's not working tonight, okay. This is already checking this text request. Why am I bothering to fucking try to limit it that way? The only reason I was trying to limit it is because this fucking shit wasn't working. Why isn't this thing working? And now it's frozen. It would be frozen. There we go. Okay. I don't understand why it doesn't let me. Getting really annoying. I'm just struggling, that's all. Well, for a second there, it left. What the? I don't understand this. Oh my god, it's that. I can do it so that it ignores the Y. So I can still use the fixed. If fixed Y is false, then I'll do the check. If not, it's true. If fixed X is false, if fixed X is true, then it'll. Oh, not open the check. don't think this is gonna work. Oh, I hate to have this first. But it's my yeah. Fuck. Oh, at least this is. No, it's not working. What about this side? Okay, something's just wrong with my. Oh, there's my problem. I probably solved it just now. Oh, wait, there's another problem here. Yeah, my stupid ass mistake. Let's go back to checking. Nice. Let me clip that. When it finishes. Let me make the clip real quick. Meanwhile, open Visual Studio. Oh, I was doing the Okay, kinda tired of this retro wave. Time to go to something else. Choke run's too hardcore for the stream. Alright. Let me update this color picker prefab.
내가 봤던 영화도 내가 어제 뭘 했는지 기억이 안 나는 이유 내가 마신 음료수 그게 아니야 내가 봤던 영화도 그게 아니야 so fine.
There you go.
그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야.
I don't know. Set color on drag, okay. What the? On drag, like what? Set drag point color. I don't know what that even means. Seems like it's more complicated. Wait, what the fuck does the color indicate? Color indicate, that's what I want to see. It's just so weird.
Making up for what you can't see, I feel so fine. 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야.
I believe this needs to be on the platform.
그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 그게 아니야, 아니야, 그게 아니야. 네 생각, 나의 생각과 내 생각, 나의 생각과
Needed background material. Does this need that as well? No. Ah. I'm guessing that's what it wants. Alright. That doesn't look like it's changing anything, not yet at least.
Just a dream, I've been woken up. 보고 봤어 모두 gotta feel it out. 뭔가 있어, but it's hazy. I need coffee. Shit is crazy. Shit is yeji. 그래, gotta feel it out. And you see that there is more than one thing. Open up in a new way. Open up on a Monday. You see that there is more than one thing. Open up in a new way. Open up on a Monday. Other countries, they are having more than coffee. Shit is crazy, shit is yeji. 맞아, gotta feel it out. Other people, they are laughing. 처음처럼, 알고, 알지. Gotta feel it out. When you see that there is more than one thing. Open up in a new way. Open up on a Monday. You see that there is more than one thing. Open up in a new way. Open up on a Monday.
this crap.
Open up in a new way.
There we
Open up on
go.
a Monday. See that what is here is what ain't there.
There we go.
Open up in a new way. Open up on a
Something like that.
Monday.
That outside of it. Is this okay? Yeah, that's okay. That's why it wasn't working before in the spot. Yep. I know what I was doing wrong before then. Okay, Dragon Ball's done. I need to figure out how events work.
Waiting for change. It feels like a long run. I can't see why I will continue on. 내가 내게 하나 가르쳐줄까? 반대편에는 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 반대편에는
Does 2D debug still work now? Let me see if that works in actually. Before I even fuck around. Let me see if 2D debug works with it.
Rain girl, make it.
Awesome.
매주 하는 생각. What if it's just me?
Awesome.
영화 한 편 끝나듯이. As real as it can be. 급급했던 기억들은 where I can't just see. 창문 없는 방에 when I am so free. Mother Russia in my cup and my glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't fuck with family planning. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 매주 하는 생각.
Alright, I know that works at least when I'm testing it.
What if it's just me?
I'm trying to figure out how this is going to. Color indicator has the color that I want. And it's modifying the material, I'm assuming. Do an HSB color. Why is that not public? How is it setting the marker's color?
My glass is fogging up. Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's
What's
up?
up?
Oh yeah, hey dog, hey what's up?
When the sweaty walls are banging, I don't fuck with family planning. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. 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 Make it
Color.
rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
Shared material set color.
Make it rain, make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it. Mother Russia in my cup. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
Get component render dot shared material get color. Why is it using underscore color when here it says color picker solid color?
가만히 서 있던 자리.
Oh, naturally that's wrong.
Really find me. 창문 없는 방이 작지. Or when I am so free to find me. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
Where's HSB from color? I want to see this. So I actually know what the hell this is messing with.
Make it rain, girl, make it. Mother Russia in my cup. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain. Make it rain, girl, make it rain.
0000. This is 000255. Kind of important to keep this to 255, isn't it? Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not everything. Alright, so I know it's 000. And if let's play. I want to see if it affects it. Probably doesn't, because considering I don't see a change. But I don't know. Okay, we're gonna go to color indicator. Right now it's at 1-1. Moving that didn't do anything. Doing that didn't do anything. Color equals HSB dot from color component renderer dot shared material get color transform that primary broadcast matches set color. You mean set hue?
Fitting in your vibe and you'll be styling out real quickly.
I'm so confused. Set color here. Set drag point.
Man, it's just
What?
the way you do it when you
Set color here.
move so swiftly.
Color. New HSB.
Vibing out to you.
I didn't read the tutorial. That's probably what's fucking me. I have no idea what they're referring to here.
Smoking out the way.
Not doing anything. I don't know.
So good, it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so new.
I would not do it this way so badly.
Wishing at the
I'm stuck with
end
it.
of June.
They're using that dude's tutorials, but they're so bad. Let me go look at them.
Clouds in my shroud, in my vision go clearly. Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I leave me. What is the saying when you should
Where are you? Diffused VR, yes it is. This is him. I am so muting you. Okay. What are you doing? Oh, this nightmare. I remember this. How old is this video? Yep, that explains it. Does he have the original source code somewhere?
No rainy, no windy, no sun. Your music and just the one. I'm fine like that, fine like that, fine.
Okay, he hasn't made the actual component. Don't mind. Not what I'm worried about.
No, you know, knows me no better like that.
Oh, he already made the fucking scripts? No!
Quickly. And it's in the way you do when you move so swiftly. Vibing out to you, make me do your
Why do I have a feeling those scripts are falling down?
Smoking out the way I feel the emotion. It's so good, it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so new. Wishing at the end of June.
Where does prefab come from?
Clouds in my shroud and my vision clearly. Can't see ahead if I'm fine when I bleed.
Oh, damn.
What is it saying when you let go?
I don't know where he's getting these from.
What is so impossible?
Let me go look at the original script.
So, do me like that with a smile, with a smack. With all your
I'm about to do it my way.
better.
But I would rather use the events if I could, to be honest. I don't really have time to fuck with that.
You got me, winging me weather. No rainy, no windy, no sun.
I'm not gonna use this. Ray casted, dragging, okay.
I'm fine like that, fine like that, fine.
Nothing.
I'll never be losing
This is
my
not
mind every time.
Okay. I'm assuming what's happening is color indicator is what's gonna be sending to telling you what the color is on the board. That also needs to be sending the information to marker directly. Oh. No, wait. I'm gonna eventually have to load it. Come on. Marker. How did we get the information on the board? Here's the marker. How the hell did I get this one on here? Getting it from the component. Where did I get component from? Fraction. Oh, we're not an IWVR? Oh, no, that's not a... It's a no-no. What? No. Use the gear just fine. Well, we're gonna get this right from the start. No, none of this bullshit. Get component from... Where are you getting this component from? Render? The shared material that... I don't know where this is coming from.
saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like, I be like, baby, why you so fine? Gotta make you mine. So hard to find.
Oh my gosh.
Baby, like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it, and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock them daylight.
Oh, fuck.
Like, girl, you so fine.
HSL? I'm using HSB. What is HSB?
Baby, so fine. Miss Baby. Girl, you knock him dead.
Brightness?
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in
So I
the
need to invert.
slides. Either
That uses
way, eyes
HSB.
on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence. Was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they want to sin, talking deadly sin with Mrs. Lady. I don't understand why she hit them like. Girl, you knock 'em dead.
That's bait, that's the brightness.
How you do
This
it,
is value. I need to invert this.
baby, you knock 'em dead. I'm already said.
What do you mean? Oh. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Alright. Let me see what that does.
When you call my name, when you love me gently, call my name.
0, 0 to 55 to 55.
When you call my name, when you love me gently.
And that works properly with the marker. 0 to 55, 0, 0 to
When you
55.
call
Okay.
my name, when you love
Seems to be tied
me
properly.
gently.
Can't really tell because this thing's. Come on. That. Seems to have said it properly now. Let me see if I can do a better with both. So I'm gonna do the custom color here.
Is that why you come back to
color is going to be 00255. Just want to see if it creates that rich blue chain. Too obvious to not notice.
You just let me know that I got you, I got you, I got you, and you got me too. You got me too. You got me too. You got me. You're the only one. When you call my name,
And it worked.
when you love me gently, when you call my name, when you love me gently.
Awesome. Okay. So they had events working before. I needed to see how those things. So I'll be using this properly later. For now, I'll just do this. I don't need a path, so I'll just. For now.
그림자 바뀌는 속도가 너무 빠르다고 느꼈어.
No, that works. I don't do that anymore. Oh, value. I need the value though. Never mind. What is shared material?
시간이 흐르는 것처럼 나도 같이 떠내려갔어. When the seasons change, my feelings change. 숨 쉴 시간도 없이. Held to a standard I built for myself. 숨 쉬는 것조차 힘들게 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어.
Right now, I'm trying to figure out.
생각을 바꿨어.
Okay.
생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어.
Go back to the color indicator here.
생각을 바꿨어.
Default set to black. Oh, I should. That doesn't matter. That's gonna get overridden anyway. I can make that private again since I know what that does now.
생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어.
Don't need this part. That's one.
생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어. 생각을 바꿨어.
this game, okay, so then it's essentially saying call set color and the entire parent. So everything in here. The only ones that have it right now are the thumb here and the thumb here. So if I go to let me get this out here. I don't see this anywhere else. At least not here. This looks like he's trying to reference something. It's a completely different object.
It's easy to say that I haven't changed my mind. I'm just doing
How does it exist?
so fine. Drinking
Unless...
up what I have
Where am I?
left of water in
A shader?
glass. I have missed all my chances
Where am I located?
to be so honest.
Okay. Color saturation brightness shader. That's what's called that.
Like breathing, it's easy to
That's what it's
say
calling every time. price is $200. That ain't changing for a while. If it does, I'll adjust it. It's gonna be hard coded for now. Okay, that fixed. Where's that other thing? Those 10 jacks that needs to be updated back to its original thing. Collider, bounds, that size X. No, 200. Bounds minimum. I think that was negative 100. Oh, fuck, I don't remember. Shit, this is the only part that, yeah, I'm gonna have to do this the right way. I can't do it this way. The parent. So we need to get the parent. There you go. And this should also work for the other one. But yeah, I wouldn't even have been able to hardcode this now that I think about it. Is that it? Oh, fuck, I don't remember it. Foxfire, oh, okay, that's why.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic plans in my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
On color change. Maybe that's called. So these are still relevant. For that, you have no idea what that is, do you?
Listen, hard at building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. You're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart.
I need to get a saturate. What is this bitch thing?
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no.
what I wanted to do.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you
Oh.
say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no.
Did he get overridden?
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old
It's a
ways,
C sharp
I can't
thing.
blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no.
Can I do that? Want me to assign the variables first? Is that okay with that? Probably not.
I don't see you go like that, I must say that I'm proud. Thinking about the times when you were going to my house. Ay, had to let you go like that, I say it fucked me up. Ay, you live in my head without a doubt. Ay, always anxious.
Oh, this is... Where is it? Right here. This is that mask. Okay. You don't have to do that anymore, because I already... SBX, SBO. Not how this works anymore. gotta convert. I need to make these out. Alright, we got S and B. B is overridden. And I gotta make it. And then B equals 55 minus B. Now I have to apply the color. So convert this back to specified things, so H S B, and apply it to the actual shader thing. I don't think this is gonna work, but I want to see what this does since it even compiles. Okay, go back again, go to 3D debug. I want to see the color indicator. It's not going to do shit, probably. That's not changing anything. This has no receiver. I have to see why. Set saturation brightness. It's probably because I removed it. Let me see. Not that. Close all the locked ones. Color manager? Nope. Color indicator? Well, that's my color indicator. It's not going to change anything. That's saturation. Oh, wait. Fuck, where was that? Color indicator has it. And why did it say broadcast message didn't have? Try again. Why did it say it had no receiver? It said it's set 10 times. This used to be here. Yep. Honestly, at this point, I don't know what else to work. Transform parent of the transform parent. So the parent of this. I gotta do proper for that. Oh, what? Interesting. Gotta fix that, but this did something. Said he has something. Let me see what this does. We're gonna put this up first. Okay. Oh, alright. Starting to get how the event system works now. That's really simple how it works. I like it. But this just turns straight to white, so I'm doing something wrong with the This should have made my marker white too. I won't be able to project shit on my board. But if I go to the board scene, line jump, it should all be white. No, they're okay. This one step to the board. Beautiful. Might have to go in VR. There we go. So it's the last thing it gave it, that one like unique. This another. What is the damn it. Would have been nice to have a public view of that thing now. Here. Wondering what I'm doing wrong. It's probably this. Probably doing this wrong. Is it really just... It can't be that. That's so white. Oh. Oh. Never mind. That actually fixed everything.
Never really know.
That's kind of cool. Okay. Problem solved? No. Not completely. Unless, wait. Not completely, but we're getting there. Okay. I also got to update the marker color. It hasn't done since the start. Every time apply color is called, I update the marker color. I'm assuming. Let me try that. And then I gotta eventually attach this color picker to the controller.
Felt that way.
I have.
Yeah, let's reset this first. Let's get a bright red going. That looks somewhat correct, right? Let's make it darker. Yep. Make it whitish. Awesome. So this is kind of working now. Just need to get the colors to update properly. Alright, so it's apply color. Something is wrong with how this thing is producing hue. It's the set hue, it has to be the set hue. Not returning the right thing. weird because the set hue is changing this, just not the final thing. It's not changing the final. Am I not, yeah. That's why. I wasn't setting color after the set hue was done. Why that thing didn't get updated. Alright, I'm gonna get in VR soon. I wanna do this last thing. Fuck. Well, let's see if it changed the green. No, that's still... Stay there. Yeah. It's changing this hue, but it's not changing... On the draggable script. Undrag. Just pull them up. What's getting changed here? Undrag. Okay. Good you. Undrag. Cute. Oh, that's annoying. What's going on? Uncolor change. Where was this again? This is inside the shader, right? Oh no, it's here. I don't need to do that anymore. You're passing the wrong argument. Color manager. Does color picker have a color mat? No, it doesn't. Nothing has a color manager anymore. I don't even know why this is being sent, to be honest. Here, hold on. Just want to see what it prints out. That's not changing. Change is there, but not. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's fucking why. I'm using SV here, but I was never using hue. Okay. That's changing now. Awesome. Okay, we're done. Color picker works. Let's go try that in VR now. Let me just take off this debug log so this will slow everything down. Oh, do I need to clean anything up? Looks good for me. I'll factor it later. Let's just try it out in VR. It's getting stuck. It's a little bit low on the frame rates on my side. I don't think you'll notice it. Awesome. Alright, I want to try a nice purple. Awesome. Try yellow. Orange yellow. More yellow than orange. There we go. Awesome. Go with a red. Oh, that's weird. It isn't really accurate color. If I do this, it will. Whatever. I'll go with light blue. That's what I wanted. The bright side. Color picker works. Now to attach it to the back of this transform. Hopefully it works when this micro is used. I gotta go and clip that for the Discord. Awesome. Perfect. So now that that's done, okay, getting the kit clip published. So now there's a few things I can do. I can either just close this color picker stuff for now. I need to refactor it yellow. Orange yellow. Wait, what the hell? An orange. There we go. Oh. The music streams at the same time. That doesn't work. I clip finished. That's why I was doing double. Here, I'm going over the problems real quick. So, right now, line render, not that. Border resizing functionality needs to be added. What else is wrong with this pain in the ass? Oh, we need to replace the marker. Definitely gonna do that. Marker change. What was in the Trello? I go to this development. This hasn't been updated in a long ass time. Oh yeah, the marker tip. My head. Okay. I can do the board thing while he thinks about it. The board creation got screwed up for some reason. I believe it's because the board starts with a fixed joint. And when you try to create the other board, because for some reason the other board still has this fixed joint at the beginning, that's a problem. Can't have a fixed joint when it starts. I think that might have been it. I'm not sure. Let me just double check. I had board joint fixed a while ago. Yeah, there we go. That was the only problem with it. But then what happens is I set it to a nice cool. There we go. What happens is if I interact with the marker tip on all these boards, they're all supposed to share their velocity or something like that. Let me see. Let me try moving it. Oops, that was my monitor, wasn't it? That sucks shit. Close that. This is not getting screwed over? Are these all spawning at the back? What? How? Why? It's weird. I'll see you later. I don't care really. This is simple. Oh shit. It happened. So now it's dropping frames because something happened with the collision of the boards after creation because of the fixed joint problem. So what I was thinking of instead is inside each board is a board throwable. I'm pretty sure that this regular board also has a board throw. No, it does not. Well, that fucks things up. Continue. I'm wondering why they weren't using the same board interaction. Tension, stretch, vector generation, force no motion. Okay. Okay. I gotta test it a bit to see. Alright, let's see. Need to untangle this. And I just hurt somebody's ear, sorry. Hopefully it clipped. It's supposed to clip it, but I don't think it does. Create. Which one's the create button? This one. Let me switch them. I'm gonna create a bunch of boards over here. Okay, that one intercepted. Does this fuck with it? Probably. Now let's make sure. See, if this happens too much, that velocity should be transferred. No, it's not. Okay, good. Let me make sure that nothing happens to these. They're moving all the boards. Did that perma move all of them? I don't like fixed joints. Where did my record go? There it is. Get down here. There's already some kind of crazy force on this thing. Why isn't this drawing? Is it on white? Probably. Get over here. Oh. Okay. Why is it going so nuts? This is in that view mode. That really weird view mode. Where's my eraser? Went somewhere. The frame rate dropped a lot. I think I lost my eraser for good. Yeah, it's gone. I'm gonna have to restart it. I do have the clear button. That works. I don't think this side works. Yeah, it's on that side. Hello. Board creation definitely works. I just have to get the resizing to work. So what I'm going to do to get resizing to happen is I'm going to have it hover, and then when I press right on the touchpad or left, right or left will do the same thing. It will either this will decrease, or should I do it? This will be to decrease the width. This will be to increase the width. This will be to increase the height. This will be to decrease the length. And I'll just do it globally. So just like this will be the center, and it'll just go that way. And that's how it will work. If you don't like that, deal with it. That's gonna be the limitation for now, until we get it so that this is just the initial one. Eventually, I want to get it so that you can actually grab a side and then just stretch out that specific side. But until then, it's just gonna be hover over it, press the buttons that you want to increase size or decrease size. Or I could just have it so that you can only increase the size, because decreasing the size can cause problems with the line dump. There are already markers on that area. That could be the minimum size of the board that I have right there. Or I can make it a little bit smaller. That's what I'll do for now. I'll limit the size and make the board smaller. So right now it's 1, 1. I can do 0.5 and 0.5. So it'll be the minimum size of the board. This is how it looks like when it creates. Is that too small, or yeah, I'll keep it there. And with the board interaction, at least for now, because we can't figure this crap out. I'm gonna keep this on local, this nightmare on local. 759. It's gonna look terrible, but how it is for now. Until we can get this thing to work with you. And while hover, get standard interaction button down. So is not get touchdown. Axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. D-pad. What? What is this? Do I want it to be a press or a touch? Get pressed down. Yeah, let me do that. Press down on. Let's just try D-pad up, D-pad left. D-pad right. Do a D-pad right. Close this. What's going on here? Else if hand controller, it's not null. And hand controller, I'll get back down. Yep, that's exactly what I want. So transform dot scale. Oh, my bad. Transform dot scale. This is for the right. So I'm going to change the Y or the X. The X plus equals 0.5. Is that fine? Oh. Can I do that? Fuck. That must be it then, yeah. Plus equals 0.5. I'm gonna do it in 0.5. Okay, now it's not letting me do this. Okay. I know what to do. Transform local scale x, transform local scale. I was trying to simplify it. Try to do something that's not as simple as it actually is. .5. I just want to see it change. Fuck. Do you want me to... There, is that fine? You want to make this double? Is that good? It is not like that, okay. Fuck that. Still not okay. Okay, now it's okay. Frozen because of my change to the thing? Let's see what happens. My tiny little board. Put it right here. It's not doing anything. Don't know if it's working. Let's just try having it a simpler button. See if it's just my button. So I'll have it so that it's probably just my button. Get pressed down on this thing. Want to do grip? Do grip. See if I can just change it with the grip. See if something happens. Boom, boom. Alright. That's awesome. How big can I make? Oh, that's huge now. Oh, I pushed my... Where did my... There you are. So white. Yep. Gotta remember that this thing will be set to white at the very get-go. Come on. What is this? I don't know what happened to that, but I need to fix that later. I wonder if the that's just the marker. Ow. Damn it. Get closer to it. Let me back off. Let me see my size. There we go. And let me change this to exactly how I want the eraser to work. It's working. Whoops. So if I grip on this, okay. So the grip works. So it's just my touchpad D-pad not working. I'm not interpreting it as a touchpad D-pad. No. on the touchpad, and let me change this to be, so I want this to be for the X value, and I need to change this to a float. So if hand.controller what's pose? Get state. I'm gonna have to debug this. So see what the hell this is. No, it's okay. I can just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's no problems here. That actually exists. Okay, good. What were the states again? That's it. So to separate them, do some new lines. And now when it runs, I'm gonna see what the hell is what. Move this over. Oh, it's only when I'm hovering. I'm being retarded. Okay. Okay. Go to state mode so I can see my hand. Get it closer. Come on. You just gave me the access name, but that's not what I want. Oh, what? They have components inside of them. What is in here? I'm guessing only one of these is the touchpad access. I just don't know which one it is. Let me just get close to the board first. That way it's easier for me. Alright, so now if I just go a little bit closer, now if I just reach up here, I'm right in interacting with the board, so it makes my life easy when I do this. I'm already interacting, and now I'm going to be pressing the touchpad down. And instead of giving me what I want, it gives me some bullshit. Farce. I'm guessing the default 2-string was already called. Gotta get back to that point now. Right there. So axis 1. Axis 0 is the touchpad for sure. Considering I'm only doing like micro changes to the other ones. That's all I needed to know. So dot x is greater than, was that like, how big was those debugs? This was 0x. Okay, so we're gonna try to do greater than 0. Or 0.1. Just make it like a buffer. And dot. This is, I don't know if this is inverted or not, so I'm just kind of winging it right now. We'll see what it is in a moment. Y is less than 0. Oh, what am I doing? X. No. This is for Y now. Okay. Y is less than 0. Point what? This needs to be on the right side, so let's give it 2.5. Less than 0, 2.25, and controller dot get state r axis 0. I'm gonna probably just get a reference to this, so I don't have to keep typing this over and over again. Dot greater than, less than 0.25 and greater than negative 0.25. And so long as it's greater than 1, then it's going to do local scale, increase the size of x by that much. And let's see if I'm even doing it right. 9 times out of 10, I'm doing this wrong. I'm probably got the axes wrong, because I'm assuming that this is on an x and y plane properly, and that the touchpad's not interpreted upside down or sideways for some fucking reason. It's not. Did I only have it on compile? Why is it not loading? There we go. Alright, here we go. Scene. Awesome. It works. That's actually the first time in a long time where something works exactly how I intended it to. Right off the get-go. Is less than 0.1, with the following fields being exactly the same. What's wrong? These need to be floats, don't they? No, they don't. What? Why are you complaining now when I... What's wrong here? Why are you complaining when you completely accepted it right here without any degree of bullshit? Okay, that ended perfectly. This is giving me crap because... It's wrong anyway because I needed to make this negative in the first place. I don't know why. Okay. I don't care. I didn't see it. Simple copy and paste fixed the issue. Just for the sake of consistency. I don't want it to be able to decrease the size, but I'm just doing it for now because, yeah, it's possible. If it does decrease the size, I would prefer it if... So now this time, the Y is the thing that determines... The Y needs to be the one that's checked once. So this is going to be for increasing the size, so... It's greater than... Let me make this 2.5 as well. That way it's just like known. Okay. There. And now these are the ones that are going to be iffy. So and hand controller, I gotta say axis less than negative 0.225 and greater than negative 0.225. Just to make sure they're actually pointing off and not in some weird ass degree. No, fuck that. Accidentally put a semicolon. That is not good. Not for what I want, at least. I want that to be a 0.5. Copy. Oh, nice. I copy and pasted nicely. Good. So this needs to be negative now. Wait, less than negative 0. Yes. That's exactly what I want. Fuck, I did it again. Why do I have that habit? Okay. Let's try this out before I start refactoring things. Alright. Moment of truth. Holy shit. That's crazy. It's even an option. Oh god. It's not detecting. What? How did I get the that was weird. Oh, it's there. I fucked up. Something fucked up. Verticality works like that. That works correctly. That works correctly except for this. This is off by a bit. This doesn't work up there. What is up? Okay, so the Y's are working, but they're in a weird position. And I have to make sure that I can't do it if the size is 0.5 already. I can't double the size. I can't make it smaller than that because then it just becomes tiny. Could also, I'll let them do it by 0.25. 0.25 for everything. 0.25. Alright. This is not the way I want to do it. Gotta figure this out later. Refactor. Looks okay though. Yeah, I don't mind how it looks right now. There you go. I used 2.25 on everything and it was okay, and now it doesn't like it. I wish I knew how it read this. There's no documentation and I really don't feel like reading it. I mean, debugging this shit. Alright, and then I have to make sure this is extra check that before I can even do this, what it's going to be resizing. So transform dot local scale dot x. This is an x, and this is the one that's making it bigger. I don't need to worry about this. This check only matters for downsizing. So here, if transform local scale x is greater than 0.25 f. If it is, you can do your thing. Not, you're done. Same with this, but with the y. I'm not getting a 0 here, boys. Okay. You can make it smaller than this, Cancer. It's already tiny. By a lot. And I'm going to make this one 0.5 as well. Tiny boards. Clone, give me. Hello. And it did exactly what I didn't want it to do. Oh. What? How do I... Okay. Okay. How do I make it, shoot. This isn't working now. You can leave that there. I need to delete boards. I need to have a delete board function. I'm not going to do that yet. I can create with the grip, but I cannot delete. Not delete yet. We'll figure that out eventually. Maybe pressing and holding the grip will delete. It doesn't matter. Okay. What the f... That's not what I wanted. It's right at the edge. It's just so hard. Go here. Oh crap, this cannot happen. I see what it's doing, and that's not good. I need to have that retain its original scaling, which is not hard. It's not hard. I just have to have it so that when I change the size of the board, I retain the original scaling for the other models. This needs to be a thing. Change that there. Fuck, don't break on me. No. Fuck. I like how I can resize lines that way too. If I had extra like menu buttons to go through, that is. Damn it. I need to figure out these axes. It worked better before. What was I doing? Okay, less than, if it's greater than, okay, this is for increasing the size. 25 worked great here. And then, where's the Y? I mean, the other axis. 25 worked great here. I don't know what to do about the Y's. That shit is retarded. That crap is retarded. Oh, I see what I did wrong. It needs to be the other way around. If it's greater than -10 and less than, I see what I did. I'm just being stupid. We'll make it 15. Right there. 15. Alright, so I made it less than, greater than. And this was still going even though it had to be greater than 0.25 and it wasn't, no. think 0.3 is a better denominator. Two, five. Alright, I think it'll work now. Here we go. Take off my glasses. Then I'll have my brother test it for me. I'll make it green, because that was one of our original test colors, and it looks nice on here. I'll make it a darker green, though. Let's make it right there. I like that. That looks fine. Alright. Let me bring this over for the test. So, what we gotta do is this. Come on. Beautiful. Not perfect, but it works. And just to show the next problem. Come on. Which I know how to solve, I'm just too lazy to do it right now. I want to clip this first. Oh, I'm waiting for it to work. I'm watching the stream of me doing it. It has a massive delay right now for some reason. Alright. For some reason I can't clip it, so I'll do it later. I don't know what to do next. You need to change the marker size. Shit. Changing the marker size. Using proper UI. I had a better UI than this thing. And it wasn't hard to make at all. But I forgot if I used VRTK or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. Better UI is a slider, not this looks fine for what it is. Let me see. Open project. I need to open where would I have it? Is that why? Yeah, it's called Unity Project right now. Okay. only mine. Why isn't my Unity project opening? Is it even running still? I have a feeling it just disappeared. It exists, but it's not doing anything. Let me just close it. Yeah, I don't care. I want to see what the hell that was made with. Wonder if this is good. Oh, fuck it. Go ahead. I have it on GitHub. I need to restart the stream in a moment.